Hi students, welcome to today's class. Let us continue the topic. We know that hydrogen chloride gas is highly soluble in water. The high solubility of hydrogen chloride in water can be demonstrated by an experiment known as fountain experiment. The apparatus is set as shown in the figure. On the mouth of the flask, fix a rubber stopper with two holes. Through one hole, pass a long jet tube and through other hole, pass a dropper with a few drops of water. Put the jet tube in the beaker containing blue litmus solution. Press the dropper. It is seen that the blue litmus solution enters the jet tube with a great force, forming a red fountain. The reason is, as the water goes in the flask from the dropper, HCl gas present in the flask dissolves due to its high solubility, thereby lowering the pressure inside. The outside pressure being higher pushes the blue litmus solution inside through the jet tube. The blue litmus solution turns red due to the acidic nature of hydrogen chloride gas. So here you will observe that the blue solution turns red and you will see a red fountain. The blue litmus solution turns red because of the acidic nature of hydrogen chloride gas. We can say that HCl gas is acidic in nature. Due to the high solubility of hydrogen chloride, it fumes in moist air, forming tiny droplets of hydrochloric acid. So, the fountain experiment demonstrates the high solubility of HCl gas in water. Our next topic is hydrochloric acid. When hydrogen chloride gas is dissolved in water, hydrochloric acid is formed. The covalent compound ionizes in water due to its polar nature. As already said, hydrogen chloride is a covalent compound. It ionizes in water and produces hydronium ion as the positively charged ion. We can see the equation. HCl plus H2O gives H3O positive plus Cl minus. H3O positive is known as the hydronium ion. Let us study the laboratory method of preparation of hydrochloric acid. The aqueous solution of HCl gas is known as hydrochloric acid. It is prepared by dissolving hydrogen chloride gas in water. The gas is passed into water until no more gas is absorbed. The product is concentrated and contains about 36% of hydrogen chloride by mass. Let us see the procedure. An inverted funnel connected to the hydrogen chloride gas supply is placed in the beaker in such a way that it just touches the water taken in the trough. Since HCl gas is highly soluble in water, the water rises up in the funnel. Back suction occurs and in turn the level outside the funnel falls, creating an air gap between the rim of the funnel and the surface of water. The pressure outside and inside then becomes equal and the water which had risen in the funnel falls down again. This process continues till the water in the trough is saturated with hydrogen chloride gas, resulting in the formation of hydrochloric acid. In the laboratory method of preparation of hydrochloric acid, by using funnel arrangement, I have mentioned above back suction. Let us see what is back suction. HCl is highly soluble in water. So it is absorbed in water more quickly. So in the preparation of HCl, the pressure in the delivery tube and flask is reduced and atmospheric pressure from outside forces the water back up to the delivery tube. This effect is back suction. Since HCl gas is highly soluble in water, the water rises up in the funnel, back suction occurs, and in turn the level outside the funnel falls, creating an air gap between the rim of the funnel and the surface of water. When the water is sucked into the funnel, due to the lower pressure created there, HCl gas dissolves in water. So in the preparation of HCl, the pressure in the delivery tube and flask is reduced and the atmospheric pressure from outside forces the water back up to the delivery tube. This effect is known as back suction. Why do we use funnel arrangement for the preparation of hydrochloric acid? The funnel arrangement prevents or minimizes back suction of water. It provides a large surface area for absorption of HCl gas. So we use funnel arrangement because it prevents or minimizes back suction of water. In the preparation of HCl acid, hydrochloric acid, we have to minimize or avoid back suction of water. Funnel arrangement helps for that. Moreover, it provides a large surface area for absorption of HCl gas. Note these 2 points. The funnel arrangement prevents back suction of water and it provides a large surface area for absorption of hydrogen chloride gas. Today's assignment is given here. Do the assignment and send to me. Let us wind up today's session. Thank you.